Hello students, today I am discussing data structure, some of the data structure like state queue, question answers and infix to postfix notation and postfix expression evaluation. Now one by one we will discuss it. First, give any two characteristics of state. First, we should know it what is data structure, but basically it is an organizing way of data which we can maintain properly. So the first question, give any two characteristics of stack. So stack is first in last out. Philo, either you can use it philo, first in last out, or we can use it LIFO, last in first out. So meaning, I think I have already clear in previous video, like if you are using 2, 3, 5. So if we enter first 2, so it will be remove end. And whatever I'll add it last, it will be removed first. Again, I'm giving example. If I'm inputting 2, 4, 8, I have inputted 8 last. So first 8 will be removed, then 4, then 2. So this is the procedure. Now next is, it is a LIFO data structure, the insertion and deletion happening at the one end. That means only one end we can enter it. For example, we are entering data. So this is the way which we can enter it, and this is the way which we can delete it. For example, 5, 6, 2. So you have to enter this process. Like if we want to use it 265 again, 2, again 6, then 6 and 2. This is the procedure. And next again 5, 6 and 2. So this is the procedure which we can write it. I hope the concept is clear. Again, data structure. A data structure is a group of data which can be processed as single unit. The organized way. The group of data may be similar or dissimilar data type. Similar means integer, character, float. Dissimilar means basically different types of like tree, structure, state, queue. These are the different data types. So data types are two types of structure. One is called linear and another is called non-linear. The elements are stored in a sequential order like array, stack, queue. This is a linear data structure or linear data type. Tree, graph, linked list. Linked list basically not non-linear. It is basically we can say it is a linear data structure because it should be maintained in a linear approach. So no sequential order is there. Graph, tree, linked list. That time we can use it non-linear when it's not maintaining the sequence. Now expand the following LIFO and philo. LIFO means last in first out, just I told you, and philo stands for FIFO stands for first in first out. LIFO use in state, FIFO use in queue. Now next is define state. State we have already explained in previous video, and again I have already explained it. State is a linear data structure which will be available in data structure, and it should be maintained at one place, that is called top of the stack, and element should be insert only one place. So we can operate two things, insertion and deletion. So insertion and deletion will be placed only at one place. Now next is write all operation possible in data structure. Basically, we can perform it 6 operations, but these are the 4 major operations: traversing, insertion, deletion, and searching. 2 more operations we can also perform it, that is called merging and sorting. But that's not compulsory. These 4 are major operations: insertion, deletion, searching, and traversing. What are the 2 major stack operations? Push and pop. Push stands for insertion, pop stands for deletion. Push, the addition of element is known as push operation. It can be done using top. Pop, removal of element is known as pop operation, which is also done at the top. For example, if element is inserted 5 and 2, if you want to insert new element, Then again we have to add it here. 6. That place is called top. And if you want to remove it, 6, it will be removed from top. Then next is write an algorithm to implement push and pop operation. Push means insert the value, pop means removing the value. Start top initialize 1, -1. Input new element, increment by 1, stack top equals to new, print item inserted is top. Now how can we insert it? Again, if we are inserting 5. So very first top equals to -1. And if we insert 5, that means top becomes, the value of top is 1 or 0. So input new element, whatever value element is, that is 5. 5 is new element. Increment by top 1. Increment by top 1. So print item inserted. Item insert ho gaya. This is the push operation. Same thing we can apply with pop. If value of top is -1, go to step 3. Here the value of top is 0. Print stack empty, go to step. Deleted item stack top. This item को हम delete कर रहे हैं 5. 5 will be deleted. Decrement by 1. Top की value again -1. So this is the procedure. Now give few applications of area of the stack. Expression evaluation. Game playing, finding path, existing searching, memory management, runtime environment for nesting language. This is the expression evaluation area stack. And one more thing, you can also use it recursion and infix to postfix notation and evaluation of postfix notation. Just next example, we can see it, evaluation of postfix expression. Now, first we should know it. There are two things are there. First is postfix notation, expression evaluation. Now, what is the meaning of postfix expression evaluation? The meaning is, first of all, I'll explain it. What is infix notation, postfix notation, and prefix notation? I'm just explaining. Infix expression, it follows the scheme operand, operator, and operand. A plus B. So here, this is called operand. This is called operand, and this is called operator, and this is again called operand. So operator always perform in between operands. This is operand, this is operand, this is operator. That is called infix notation. Second is prefix notation. Prefix, it is the form of arithmetic notation in which fixed value the arithmetic operation before its cooperate. The prefix notation is called the Polish notation, plus AB. That means A plus B we have written. So first operator will write it, then operand. A and B. Next, postfix expression. Postfix expression is just a reverse of prefix. First operand will write A, then operator AB. So very simple thing. When operator in between comes between the operands, that is called infix. Operator comes first, operand then that is called prefix. Postfix, operator always at the end, and before operator, operands are there. So that is called postfix. So I hope the concept is clear of infix to postfix expression. Now, most important thing, postfix expression is AB plus. So same thing, we can use it 8, 2, and divide. If I say you have to evaluate postfix expression, the very first thing, is it a postfix expression? Yes. Here operand is there, here value is there. So operand, and operator. So this is postfix expression. Now how postfix expression should be evaluated? So whatever operator is there, you have to perform in between that operand. Like 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. This is the postfix expression evaluation. Now again, I have come to the point how to evaluate postfix expression. just come to the next point. How to evaluate postfix expression. Like 138 multiply plus. See this thing. 138. So how to evaluate it? Multiply will become here and plus will become here. So that is 1 plus 3 into 8. That is the procedure. How it process? Whatever operator is come, it comes in between. Whatever operator is come, it will go to next part. So now 3 into 8, 24, 1 plus 24 equals to 25. This is the operator expression evaluation, and that is very important. Next, 545 multiply plus. Now how it will evaluate? Multiply, it will become here, plus it will become here. Then again divide. So divide, it will come here. So first 545 evaluated. 5, first 4 into 5. 4 into 5 plus. Then divide will come here. Divide 5. Now how we evaluate it? First 5 plus 4 into 5. 20 divided by 5 plus 20 divided by 5. So first evaluated plus. So 25 divided by 5. This is the meaning, and output is 5. So the rule, what is the rule? How to perform the rule? First understand, the postfix expression is evaluated easily by the use of stick. When a number is seen, it is pushed on the stick. Whenever number is shown, it will just put on the stick. That means not evaluated. But when operator comes, it will apply it on previous two operators. That is the procedure to find out the calculation. Now again, we come to that point where we have discussed it. Here expression is there 12, 2, 7, 34, 20, minus, plus, plus 1. Now how to evaluate it? I am just giving the example. Minus will be evaluated here. Plus will be evaluated here. Then this plus will be evaluated here. Now how? Input symbol 12, it will go to stack. 2, it will go to stack. So the stack is 12, 2 and 12. Divide. So it will be divided by 12 divided by 2, 6. So minus will be here. Oh, sorry. Minus will be here. Minus will be here. Then plus will be here. Then plus will be here. So how we evaluated? Divide. I think some of the things are mistake. 12 divide. This is divide, not 7. This is divide. So 12 divided by 6. Then 34, 6 and 34. Then 20, 6, 34, 20. Then minus, because minus comes here. So 6, 14. Because 32 divided by minus 20, 6, 14. Then again plus. So plus 14 plus 6, 20. Then 5 will be added. Then plus 20 plus 5, 25 will be the output. Now suppose if you have no concept again not clear, so I'll explain again. One more example, I'll take it. Here 4, 5, 6 multiply plus 4, 5 push 4, 5. So 5 will be taken first, then 4, then 6. Now multiply. So first What I said multiplied here. So it will be multiplied 6 into 5. That means 30. So 4 comma 30. The result is 4 comma 30 because three values are there. Two will be evaluated. Then again operator come next. So plus will be evaluated here. So plus pop empty 4 plus 30. That is 34. So the output is 34. I hope the concept is clear. Again, we come to the next point. One more example. Evaluate the following expression. Show the status of stack after executing of each operator separately. 213 plus 5 minus 6, 3 divide 5 multiply great less than. Now how it performs? पहले मैं आपको प्रोसीजर बताएगा. फर्स्ट आई प्रोसेस इट. इसका जो इवैल्यूएशन होगा वो यहाँ से होगा. Again this evaluation is comes here. Again this comes evaluation comes here. Again this evaluation comes here. And whatever value is there, we can compare it. अब पहले क्या first is 2. तो स्टेक में you can value stake in 2. Then 13. तो 13 फिर ऐड कर दो. 13 divide by not divide by, it will add in stake. Then plus, तो 13 plus 2 15. अब 15 आ गया. Then 5. So the stake is 5 and 15. Then minus. So again 15 minus 5. So that will be 6. So sorry, that will be 10. The next value is 6, 6 comma 10. The next value is 3 comma 6 comma 10. The next value is divide. So divide will be 6 divided by 3. That is 3. So 10 is 10 and 3. 10, 6 divided by 3, 2. 10 and 2. Here 10 and 2. Then multiply, then 5. So 5, 10, 2. Then multiply. So 5, this will be apply, multiply. 5 to the 10. So 10, 10. 5 to the 10. Then 10. 10, 10. 2 times. Then last value is greater than 10, 10. 10 is greater than 10. No, it's false. So the value is 0. When value is false, that is 0. So answer is 0. Normally in last, at the last operator, this type of relational operator will not come. But in this situation, operator will come. So we compare it and show the result. Again, we have to evaluate next thing. Evaluate using step 10, 3, comma, multiply 32, multiply minus. Again 10. A very simple approach. If your multiply is here, it will be calculated here. If multiply is here, it will be calculated here. If minus is there, it will be calculated here. So 10, then 3 comma 10, then multiply 3, 30, then 30, again 30, 30, 30, then again 2, 2, 30, 30, multiply 2, 30, 2 into 30, 60, 60 and 30, minus, so 60 minus 30 minus 60, that is minus 30. The result is minus 30. So concept is, I hope concept is clear. Again the same thing, postfix expression evaluation. Definitely one question will come and it will ask it how the, what is the procedure. Yes, again the procedure is same. 2010 minus, it will be calculated here. So 2010, 20 push, 10 push, 2010. Stake में क्या है 2010. So first 20 and 10, then so stake आपका बना vertically, that is 20 and 10. So either you can write it in horizontally or you can write it in vertically. If you want to write it vertically, you have to write it in this procedure. Whatever value is coming at the last, it will come at the top. Again minus, so pop 10 and 20, 20 minus 10, 10. Because minus will be calculated here. Then comes 15. तो पहले अब क्या बचा अगेन 10 and next is 15. So at the top 15 will be there. Then 3 push 3 10 15. तो आपका ऑप्शन क्या आ गया 3 10 15. 10 आया ना उसके बाद हाँ 15 हाँ 3 15 10. फिर क्या है द नेक्स्ट इज डिवाइड. तो 15 डिवाइड बाय 3 दैट इज 5. तो 5 एंड 15. फिर नेक्स्ट आपका 5 एंड 15. फिर पुश 5 5 5 5 15 into 5 that is 75. Next is again the same thing. Result is 20. Now some of the question answer we can discuss it. We can say this is a case-based question. BCI has created a dictionary. Now dictionary had two things in previous in term one we have seen it. Dictionary have two things: key and values, containing top players and their running as key values pairs of cricket team. Key values means whatever run is performed that is value. Write a program with a separate user-defined function to perform the following operation. The following operation we have to perform it. Now, push the key name of the player of the dictionary into state where corresponding run greater than 49. Pop and display the content of state. For example, if simple content of dictionary is as follows: Kapil 40. Kapil is the name, key value. Name, key value. Saurabh key value. Rahul key value. Yuvraj key value. The output from the program should be Sachin, Saurabh, Yuvraj. Because what we have to perform it, the corresponding value greater than 49. So greater than 49, Sachin, Saurabh, and Yuvraj. These three batsmen run more than 40. That means 49. Same or question, we have to perform it. Vikram has a list containing 10 integers. So the question is easy. Again, this will be case-based question, but that is easy. We have to maintain it list. So Vikram has a list of containing 10 integers and need to help to create a program with separate user-defined function to perform the following operation based on the list. Traverse means display or print or outcome or processing. Traverse the content of the list and push the odd numbers into a state. Pop and display the content of the state. Example, if n, the simple content, n is 12, 34, 40, and output should be a. Up, this thing will come this, and this thing will come this. Now, how to operate it? We'll discuss one by one. So, score Kapil 40. Define, we have to function define push S and R. Two parameters we are passing it, that is state. S dot append. Append always add add the value at the end. So append R. It will add it in state. DFP S. If S not equal to null, null means nothing. Return S dot pop. अगर कोई value नहीं है तो it will be return 0. Else return none. For k in score, this we are implementing in the form of Python with data structure. If a score greater than 49, है ना? then push st stack. Otherwise, no. Now here n is 12, 13, 34, 46. Push sn. S stands for state and n stands for number. S dot append and add करते जाओ. Define pop s. If s not equal to null, null means empty. If it is empty, then return s dot pop. मतलब अगर उसमें कोई value नहीं है तो there is no need to return it. It is as it is value return it. S return s for k in n. Now what we required odd numbers, odd values. Push odd numbers. If k mod 2 not equal to 0, this is the logic. Any number divided by 0 and returning remainder is 0. That means that number is even. Clear? So if number is even, push it on the stack. If number is odd, it will not add it. While true st not equal to a print pop st and break. So this is the thing which we have discussing. Now next thing. One more we will discuss it. Some infix to postfix notation, how to perform it. I'm just simplifying the input to postfix notation in a very simple format. Like a plus b into c. This is infix notation, and we are performing in infix to postfix notation. Convert. Now how it will convert it? First this one. Second a minus this is the overall step I am presenting it. Then second b simple. I am explaining very simple approach. A minus b plus c. And close it. Now, how to perform it? Like a then minus. So minus और नीचे a. This is a state. Then question mark minus a. Then b. Question mark minus or a. Then plus b. Question mark minus or a. Again c plus b. Question mark minus or a. But the thing is that when closing braces is there, first it will pop everything. तो उसके लिए होगा आपका b और c प्लस, तो आपका ये जो बना आपका BC प्लस BC प्लस और A माइनस. This is the output of postfix conversion. A minus B C plus. So this is the exact process of infix to postfix conversion. This is the simplest approach. Again, operator comes after operator. So we can apply this type of process every time. Whenever closing braces there, it will pop up everything from the starting braces. So that's all from my side. If you have any query, you can write it in comment box. Thank you very much.